Crazy Bob, will you please summarize all the bugs that we found?
All right, so I'll read it basically, the type, the severity, the location, and then the description. So this was wrong, minor, line 1, don't import asterisk. Wrong, minor, line 2, useless import of .java.lang. Stylistic, minor, line 12, program to interfaces, not implementations. Missing, minor, lines 13 and 14, no initialization of variables. Stylistic, minor, 13 and 14, integer versus character. Style, minor, lines 4, 7, and 8. We discussed all about our standard coding style, and comments should be slash asterisk.
No, can we not?
Oh, sorry.
I kind of agree with Albertus here that we should go with maybe a minor plus plus or some kind of other severity. If styling is as important as we kind of talked about, maybe that should be somewhere between major and minor.
Okay.
Really need to crack down on that.
Make sure that one just doesn't get washed away.
Yeah.
And also, before you go to the next one, Crazy Bob, please read the meaning of the various positions again. So the first one is what? The first one is the line number, the second
So,
is, yeah.
so our line numbers are 4, 7, and 8. That's where the comments were.
No, I wasn't being clear. So
On the form.
On the form. So the
Oh,
first position,
this
second position.
this is just the number,
Okay.
the consecutive number
All right.
of the defect that we found. Then the type, so there's missing, wrong, extra, usability, performance, style, clarity, or question. And then there's the severity, either major, minor, and then we can add plus pluses or minuses if we feel like. And then the actual line number of the code. So then we have style, minor, line 16. Follow should be in capital letters, and character was misspelled, and by was misspelled. And then stylistic, minor, line 19, inconsistent space and white space around. And then we talked again about needing some kind of coding standard for white space. Then wrong, major plus. On line 20, the equal should be not equal on our loop condition. Then wrong again, major, lines 19 and 28, we're printing every character on a new line as an integer. Then stylistic, major, line 20, we had a question about whether this loop ever even terminates, and we should be checking for some kind of end of file. Stylistic, minor, line 31, the assert comment is confusing. Stylistic, minor, lines 32 through 35, we should concatenate all that system out into one line. Then wrong implementation, major, line 34, we're printing the wrong variable. Style again, minor, everywhere is our brace placement standard. We need to come up with some kind of standard
minor
for
plus
that.
plus maybe.
Is that another plus plus? And then style minor everywhere. There's no JavaDoc author tags or any other information on the code. Stylistic major, line 36, we should catch specific exceptions rather than generic exception. Stylistic major, line 37, we should log exceptions instead of just exiting immediately. Stylistic again, major, line 39, we need an exit status on our success. Stylistic minor, lines 19 and 28, we should not be printing debug information to the console. And then I added another important one that I think is important, major everywhere, our implementation should have been in Ada.
Oh, that's a minority report.
Very good.
So I think the code passes, right?
Thank you, team. I can certainly breathe easier now that we have squashed these bugs. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm afraid I'm going to have to neuralize you to protect the identities of our team members.